Hey guys, this is Frankie. 大家好，我是 Frankie, and today I'm going to be putting together this pineapple keychain kit that I got online. So let's get started. 开始吧! So here is the kit that I'm going to be putting together today. I got this off of Amazon. I'm not sponsored or affiliated. Right now I'm just showing you what is inside the kit. This basically has the strings, the needle, and the hardware. And the instructions, which are not in English, but the pictures are pretty clear, and you probably can use software out there that will translate it for you if you're unable to read it for yourself. So right here I've finished stitching everything and I'm just basically knotting it. I'm making sure I'm knotting it on the inside because I don't really want any knots on the outside. Now we have finished one part of the keychain. Let's continue on with the next part. So basically I want the knot on the inside of the stem, so that's why I'm not putting it through both layers. And now I'm stitching like normal. I'm just gonna knot this. I'm gonna do this off camera because you don't really need to watch me knot that. So now I am stitching the pattern of the pineapple. And we're basically doing the same stitching as we do throughout the whole thing. Now I've finished doing the design on the front of the pineapple, so right now I am just sewing the pineapple halves with the stem all together. And since there's so many layers, I'm not just trying to stack it and jam it. I'm basically kind of getting the needle through each layer, through the pre-made hole. Now at this point I basically cut to me getting majority around the pineapple and now I'm just stuffing it. Once I do that, I'm gonna finish stitching and then have to go back around to finish off the stitch. Now what I did notice when I was stuffing this and sewing it back, I kept having a little bit of the filling threads wanting to pop out, and like when I was sewing I could see it coming through the hole, so be aware of that. Basically here, I'm just trying to tuck the knot nicely inside of the pineapple. Now we're all finished. Put it on your keychain, your pocketbook, your backpack, belt loop, whatever you want at this point. But we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.